How to change Viber account. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on this video we will learn how we can change Viber account. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, launch the Viber application and make sure that you're logged in with your account. Now to change your account, you can change your phone number. So to change your phone number, tap on the More option at the bottom right corner. Once you land here, tap on Settings. Now once you're under Settings, again you have to tap on Account. After that, you'll see this option as Change Phone Number. Tap on it. Here it says changing your phone number will keep everything as it was, just under a new member. Your chats, communities, stickers and settings will not be affected. So tap on Continue. Now to add new phone number, tap on Continue. And it says all Viber users that have your number saved in your addresses book will receive a notification that you have changed your number. So tap on Continue. After that, you have to enter your new phone number and tap on Continue. Then you'll receive a verification code to your new mobile number. You have to enter the code to confirm. Now, your contacts will be notified that you have changed your number and your Viber account will now be linked to a new number. So in this way, you can change your Viber account to a new number. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.